Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very happy to say that we are going to start on a project I've been wanting to do for a while. This here is my 1983 Toyota Celica Supra. So if you follow my channel so far, you know that I've had a couple of these cars. And both cars have substantial rust damage to the entire body. And it was not worth saving without gutting another car. So a couple months ago I found this thing. The engine was torn apart, the interior's gone to hell. However, the whole chassis is solid. You got a couple issues here and there, a little couple rust spots, but overall the car is good. So it's the perfect chassis to restore this car back to its pristine condition. My goal for this build is to just strip it all the way down to the bones and rebuild it from scratch. So for this first video, we're just gonna strip everything down. Now, as far as removing the fenders and the bumper, this bumper, which is in like several pieces, this bumper cover should come out as one big assembly if you get the right bolts out. And the fenders, you have all these bolts along here like every other fender. You have a bolt on the inside right there, two bolts at the bottom here, and then you have all these bolts in the wheel well that you need to take out. Once that's done, don't forget, you have another bolt hidden here under this headlight, and then two bolts on the side of this headlight, which is also why you need to take the headlights out. And then under here on the inside, way up here, are 4 screws. You can actually see them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these 4 screws have nuts on the inside of here, so you gotta get those out too. Honestly, Toyota kind of went overboard in my opinion for the amount of bolts is on this thing. However, it's secure. So yeah. So, I at least did one of the 3 things on my list today. I managed to get the front end stripped down of panels and the bumper and stuff, which was just as complicated as I expected it to be. But just like anything else, once you figure it out, it's actually pretty straightforward. So next time I do it, it'll be a piece of cake. But front end strip, I'm calling it quits. It's getting dark, and tomorrow I'm going to come back, and my goal is to strip the engine bay and get the powertrain out. So the engine and transmission are coming out, and all this other stuff here. I was thinking about saving this block to use as just a spare in case I needed it, but upon further closer look, I don't know how well you can see, but on this cylinder 5, there's the gouging is the worst gouging I've ever seen in my life, personally. But yeah, it's got rust buildup, it's got dirt in it, it's got the walls are shot on this cylinder, so that cylinder is unusable. So I'd have to either re-sleeve it, or you can't even try to hone it. Got to re-sleeve it or just throw the whole thing out. So there's that. But that's for tomorrow, and I'm tired, so.
Leave me alone!
Can I help you? Can I help you?